Welcome back to day 50 of trying to find my next job in tech. Let's start a new project. Here we go. I wanted to start this project off at the very beginning, so today we're just researching. This is going to be a Linktree clone after all, so let's see what they offer. So looking through their site here, seeing what features they have, what I like, what I don't like, also checking out their competitors, checking the same thing. What do they have that I like? Going back to look further into the paid tier, seeing if there's anything there that I can do with my project, and then finally just seeing what their layouts look like, styling, sizing, spacing, the whole deal. I really want to get an image in my head of my project before we actually start coding, and that was pretty much the end of the day. You know, one thing that I've kind of learned since the last time I did the coding series where we were working on the client project is I feel like I didn't really document a lot of my process of like what I was thinking, what I was looking up, what I was doing. It was more so just kind of like code update. But with this one, I think I have an opportunity to improve how I documented that project and how I can do it better with this one and show that I can do more than just code. I can research, I can look at the little details. I can look to see what people are saying online that other users are talking about. And I feel like this project can also give me an opportunity to show that I can research, I can problem solve outside of the code. Like for example, like one thing I didn't show in the video edit there was I was starting to break down what I would need to make it actually work. So I started thinking, okay, we can have an image, a video as a background. How do I do that without having a full backend? Because I don't want to pay to host this somewhere. I want it to be completely free. And a couple of things I was thinking about constantly while researching today is, okay, if I want to have a video as a background or an image, how do I do that when I don't actually have a place in like a database to store those? Can I do that with just the front end? I can. Okay. What if I want to integrate like a live music player inside of the Linktree for the user to see what the person is listening to? Can I do that with Spotify's API? I can. Okay, let's kind of break into that. All of these things are going through my head with all these different ideas. Now, obviously I don't want to get bogged down by all the planning and trying to think of what to do before actually doing or just doing, but I think it is really important to have an idea of what you want before you start. And really that's what today was about. This project isn't going to be a competitor for Linktree. It's really, what does Linktree have that I can do better? And that's pretty much the end of the first day of the project. Is I just wanted to get a good idea, an image in my brain of what I want the project to look like and how I can start executing. And that's exactly what we'll be doing next time. So if you enjoyed this one, stay tuned. There will be a lot more of this project. This is gonna be my passion project for a little bit. So hopefully you're involved, hopefully you're interested, and let me know what you think down below. With all that being said, I appreciate you guys watching day 50. I will see you in the next one. I'm out.
Getting old.